What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be building this thing, this Lego airplane. So I already started on it, but well, I built this once. I built this before, but I took it apart so I could make a video. I was going to make a video of this like a month ago, but then I built it and got ahead of YouTube. So, got the instructions here. We're gonna finish building. So I already have this part. I don't know why this is on here.
Alright, yeah, that's as far as I'm gonna go, man. Alright, hop back on the jet.
I don't mind the video in the background. Just need to turn that off.
What do you need help? Kira, where are you?
Okay, there. I should probably turn on another light. Okay. Oh, wow. That fell down. Okay, we got this. All right, now we're gonna put this on. This on. I don't know if I'm doing this right. I mean, I did build this already, but still. Wait, what? Oh. Do I have to drop every single piece I build with? It's kind of annoying. Okay. Let's see here. Okay, I have the pieces. No, I dropped the piece again. So surprised. Like, I definitely didn't do that already. Okay. So we have, Okay. Now we have our next piece here. Yes, I put this on the bottom because the black piece goes on the bottom. Hiccup. So yeah. Okay, I found the next white piece. Okay. Got that. Now we need 2 of these. Just to let you guys know, if you see any of these pieces, how they're already together, that's because I already built it. Like I said in the beginning of the video. So there, I just said it again for you. So don't think that I just gatekept this creation from you, because I didn't. I built a few Lego creations off of camera. I was going to make a video of it, but like I just didn't have time for it. Well, I found my piece on the floor. Let's get that here. Okay. This should be a quicker video. Am I upside down? Am I really upside down? No. Guys, I hope the video is not upside down for you. If it is, just flip your camera over. Flip your phone, iPad. But if you're watching this video on a TV and it is being shown upside down, then I don't know if you can lopside it or whatever. Yes, I have a TV over there, but I don't know if you can lopside it or whatever. I don't know if there's a mode you can put it on. But sorry if it is upside down for you. Well, if it was upside down for you. If you're watching on a phone or an iPad and it's upside down, pretty sure you're lucky there. But not if you're watching on a TV and it's upside down. If it's upside down for you and you're watching on a TV, then you might be a bit done for. But that'll be okay, because it's not upside down anymore. Okay? Looks like I'm missing another piece, guys. Oh, there it is. Alright, so put this here. And then we're gonna put this on. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, flip our page. Guess what, guys? I already have that piece. I've already got that piece. I looked ahead. Nah, 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 nah. Oh, wait. I'm supposed to put... Wait. This is why you look at directions, guys. Because I actually did something wrong. Even though I built this thing twice, including 3 times, including now, I still messed up. Better break my nail over here, guys. My actual fingernail. I'm gonna break it over here. Guys, better come get me. Not like that. Like, come and, just go in the comments or something and tell me to stop breaking my nail over here. King Julian. So you're telling me this goes here, and then this. That does not look right. Guys, I got it wrong again. Congratulations to me. I need to go get... Hold on. I'm back. Okay. Go back to building, guys. Okay. Well, you guys don't have to mind that. Don't mind me. Well, yes, acknowledge that I'm here, but don't mind the fact that I just had a sneezing overload. Come on. Come on, Lego piece. That's what I thought. Let's do this correctly this time. Okay. And then we have this. You guys see how much I can fumble and mess up on something? Within within literal seconds. You just mess up on something. That's just the type of person I am, I guess. Oh, look there, guys. We already have that piece. So what are we doing? What? Wait, time out, guys. Kind of confused here. No, my pieces. No. Just no. Okay. All right. All right. I don't know if that was a bug on my seat, but whatever. No. I'm not trying to end up sneezing again. It's taking me longer than usual. No. I know this is boring, but just trust the process. You know what? I'm not gonna say I'm fast forwarding it, but I'm just gonna speed this up. Okay, I'm done with the airplane. I'm gonna show you guys it. I'm gonna show you guys the airplane. Okay, well that's the airplane, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.